Hello students, this is the list of Grammalogues arranged alphabetically. Dot above the line for a or an. Curved above the line according for accord or according. D with B hook above the line for advantage. A dot above the line. All dark tick above the line. Downward dark tick above the line. Upward tick above the line for and stroke above the line for any, upward R on the line for R, small S circle above the line for as, dark tick downward form above the line for ought, same outline for O, dot on the line for A, ball with NS circle above the line for balance, B stroke on the line for B, K with S circle above the line for because, B with N hook on the line for bean, B with F hook above the line for behalf, B through the line with L hook for belief, believe, believed. Downward semicircle above the line is used here for beyond. Bull halved on the line is used here for build or building. Small tick on the line is used here for but. K with L hook above the line is used here for call. Same outline halved above the line for called. K stroke only above the line for can. K halved with N hook above the line for cannot. K with R hook on the line for care. Same outline halved on the line for cared. J with R hook on the line for chair. Same outline halved above the line for chaired. J with R hook through the line for cheer. Same outline on the line halved for cheered. J with L hook halved above the line for child. S circle T with NS circle on the line for circumstance. K halved with L hook on the line for cold. K on the line for come. K halved on the line for could. D with R hook on the line for dear. D with L hook on the line for deliver, delivered, delivery. D with L hook with NS circle on the line for deliverance. D through the line for difference and for different. D with F hook through the line for difficult. D on the line for do. D R hook above the line for doctor. Same outline through the line for during. A dot on the line. Equal and equally clear. K with L hook. Same outline on the line for equaled. Halved. First. ST loop on the line for first. For F above the line. Alternative form of for is used here on the line for from. J with N hook on the line is used here for general or generally. J stroke N hook S circle Chan hook on the line is used here for generalization. J halved with N hook above the line for gentleman. Same outline on the line is used here for gentleman. Gay outline on the line for give or given. Same outline above the line for go. Gay halved with L hook on the line for gold. Gay halved with R hook on the line for great. Same outline above the line for guard. D above the line for had. N halved thickened above the line for hand. Same semicircle above the line, circle, small circle above the line for has. V on the line for have. Dark tick on the line for he. M stroke on the line for him. M stroke with a circle on the line for himself. Small circle on the line for his. Upward R through the line for R. Angular tick on the line. Angular sign on the line. Downward angular sign on the line for how. Were through the line is used here for however. MP. M dark MP above the line for importance and important. MP with a circle above the line for impossible. MP on the line for improved, improvement. And stroke above the line for in. And stroke with a circle above the line for influence. And stroke with a T loop above the line for influenced. And stroke with shan hook above the line for information. Inscribed, inscur, एस के साथ स्कर, ये हमने पढ़ा था. Above the line for inscribe and inscribed. Same outline with shan hook above the line for inscription. Instruction, NSTR with shan hook on the line. Instructive, NSTR with V hook on the line. Instructive. Small circle on the line for is. T on the line for it. T through the line with a circle for itself. JS circle shan hook for justification on the line. NG above the line for language. J above the line for large. J with L hook above the line for largely. J with R hook above the line for larger. B with R hook above the line for liberty. Upward L on the line for Lord. M above the line for me. B with R hook on the line for member. M with R hook on the line for mayor. Same outline above the line for more. M with ST loop above the line for most. M with R hook on the line for Mr. Same outline here for mayor. Next is J above the line for much. M with S circle above the line for myself. N with R hook on the line for near. N with ST loop on the line for next. N with R hook above the line for nor. N with R hook with N hook above the line for northern. B through the line with R hook for number or numbered. O above the line but जैसा tick dark. Off, downward form of downward tick is used here for off above the line. Light tick above the line for on. Downward है ये भी. And stroke with N hook for opinion. Per halved on the line for opportunity. Dark tick above the line for ought, downward. Upward R through the line for hour. Upward R with double S circle through the line for ourselves. Were above the line is used here for over. Dark tick above the line for O. NG above the line for owing. And stroke through the line for own. Per halved above the line for particular. P with L hook through the line for people. Ish with R hook on the line for pleasure. P with R hook through the line for principle and principally. Same outline for another principle. P through the line for put. K halved above the line for quiet. R doubled, upward R doubled on the line is used here for rather. M with R hook above the line for remark or remarked. B with R hook on the line for remember or remembered. S circle T, S circle shan hook on the line for satisfaction. S circle K with L hook on the line for school. Same outline halved on the line for schooled. S circle downward ish on the line for selfish and selfishness. S circle and halved above the line for sent. S circle V on the line for several. Downward ish on the line is used here for shall or shalt. Ish with R hook halved above the line for short. Upward tick on the line is used here for should. S circle gave with an S circle above the line for significance. S circle gaze stroke above the line for significant. S circle gaze stroke with shan hook above the line for signification. S circle gaze stroke above the line for signify and signified. S circle D with N hook on the line for southern. S circle P through the line for speak. S circle P on the line for special and specially. S circle with SPR circle, SPR halved on the line for spirit. S circle B on the line for subject and subjected. S circle B with chan hook on the line for subjection. S circle B with V hook on the line for subjective. Downward ish with R hook through the line for sure. SPR with S circle above the line for surprise. SPR with ST loop above the line for surprised. T with L hook on the line for tell. Id above the line for thank and thanked. That. This is the short form of id, the ना halved. Halved भी नहीं, उससे भी small बनता है ये. The tick, sorry, dot on the line for the. There. Alternative form of there is used here for there. The on the line for them. The with double S on the line for themselves. Alternative form of their, the with R hook on the line for there. Double form of it is used here for therefore. Ng on the line for thing. Id is used here on the line for think. Alternative form of third halved on the line is used here for third. The with S circle is used here for this. Same outline above the line for those. Only the above the line is used here for though. The with a circle through the line is used here for thus. Thus. The with a circle above the line is used here for thyself. T with L hook through the line for till. Tick, downward tick on the line is used here for to. B through the line is used here for to be. T halved with L hook on the line for told. Thickened tick on the line downward is used here for to. T with R hook halved on the line for toward. Same outline with a circle on the line for two words. T with R hook on the line halved on the line for trade. Same outline above the line for tried. T with R hook on the line for truth. Thickened tick through downward form for two, TWO2. And halved thickened on the line for under. Ish Z. Z on the line for usual and usually. V with L hook above the line for valuation. Alternative form of were on the line is used here for very. Z is used here for was on the line. Way upward on the line for V. Semicircle left semicircle for what above the line. Right semicircle when on the line. Whether, wa is used here upward for weather on the line. Che on the line for which. Dark tick on the line downward for who. Z through the line for whose. Angular sign above the line for why. Ish downward for wish. Same outline halved on the line for wished. Angular sign right for above the line for with. The it the with n hook through the line for within. That का जैसे outline बनाया था above the line, same outline on the line for without. Way upward doubled with n hook on the line for wonder, wonderful, wonderfully. Downward are halved, thickened for word. Angular semicircle left side on the line for wood. Upward R doubled is used here for writer on the line. Downward R thickened halved above the line for yard. Downward R through the line is used here for ear. Semicircle जैसे beyond का था वैसे ही U का वो on the line beyond above the line. NG through the line for young and downward R is used here on the line for year. So these are the grammalogues alphabetically arranged. आप लोगों को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.